So in this BTCC tutorial, I will be showing you how to trade futures here on BTCC. So once the app is opened up, go to the bottom left and press on the home button. Once you're here, there's this middle bar below deposit. Slide it all the way to the right and then go ahead and select more, or the three dots in the circle. Once you're on the All Features page right here, on the right-hand side of your screen, it says Referral. If you go down Daily Lucky Draw, and then you go down again, it says Futures. Go ahead and select Futures. Now, once you're here, you can go ahead and select the futures that you want to buy. So in this case, where it says USDT-M, where it says perp beside that, you can go ahead and change that for perpetual futures. So you can go ahead and do this with USDT-M or Coin M. You can scroll down, Bitcoin, ADA, whatever. We'll just keep it at BTC as an example. Then where it says market order, you can go ahead and do your market order. And then where it says close or cross margin, you can go ahead and do cross margin or isolated margin. You can do the leverage amount as well. So you can slide this more or less. You can press confirm. You can basically go down and do a bid price, do the amount in Bitcoin. And if this looks good, you can open a long position or a short position and then proceed this way with the trading of futures that way. So that is how you guys can trade futures here on BTCC. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.